Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how to use the Razer chroma configurator properly to get whatever effects on your keyboard or your mouse you want. So instead of using like the normal static effect or the wave, maybe you wanna get whatever colors you want on the wave, direction or even speed. Then you can use the Razer chroma configurator to get as many layers as you want. You can get reactives in different color in a combination of your own waves and do exactly whatever you want. So you can see that the Razer devices I have plugged in will be shown below here. So let's say if you have a Razer or Nada, it will be shown below. But this chroma configurator doesn't work on all of their devices, just on some. For example, you can see that the chroma configurator exists on this mouse, but it doesn't exist on the Razer Firefly at the side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and head into the chroma configurator and show you how it works. So right here we have the user interface where you can see all the effects and stuff you can do. So right here we have the effect layers menu where you can see your layers and manage them and do just as you want. To add a layer you click the plus button and then you can choose which layer you want to add. Remember that if you have a reactive layer over a static or a wave or something, you need to have the reactive layer over it, otherwise it won't be seen. Remember to have the eye clicked in. If it won't be lit, the layer won't be seen. So let's say I want it to be lit green when I hit a key. Then I'm gonna go ahead and select all the buttons on the keyboard and then select green. And to the right here you can choose the duration for how long the key will be lit up after you hit it. And I want it long, so I choose it. Remember to hit apply, otherwise it won't be applied. So this is how it looks when the reactive layer is applied. And now I want a wave in the background behind the reactive, so I select all of the buttons and I go down to pattern, and here you can choose a pattern to have your wave in. And if you want, you can do your own pattern by going over to stops and hit plus, then you add new stops, by other words new colors that you can choose from. If you don't want a color in the line below, then you can click on the big red icon right there and choose your own. So now I'm gonna do some colors here. And you can also choose how fast the wave will travel by the speed, and you can manually select how many keys per second it will travel. You can also change the angle that the wave is traveling in right there. So let's go ahead and see the result of my customized effect. So here's the effect when it's done. It doesn't look very nice, but if you put some time in it, it will be nice. And here's the reactive green that I chose, and yeah. And when using the chroma configurator on other stuff like my mouse, it is just the same. And remember that when you like change a color or something in the layer, you need to remember that it doesn't change if you don't clear the effect before you change it. So remember to clear the effect and then activate the new color. And that was all for today's video. Hope you could learn something from it and have a blast of a time mixing with a chroma configurator. Bye.